Hey guys, this is Alan with the Grilling Network. Welcome. Today we're going to be doing a video series and I'm calling it Tastes of Europe. My wife and I recently went to Europe with a few good friends where we visited several places, including a city called Pirmasens in Germany where I grew up and lived for nearly 20 years. We also tried several of the cuisines which inspired this video series called Taste of Europe. Today we're going to be cooking bratwurst with sauerkraut and pretzels. Let's get cooking. For today's cook we're using Camp Chef's Deluxe 3-burner set with their pizza oven and cast iron skillet. We have the skillet on low and the pizza oven is preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go ahead and get our ingredients. The beauty of this pizza oven is the versatility. Not only can you cook pizzas, but you can also do other baked goods. Today we're cooking pretzels. The easy recipe for this is just to spray it with water. You can get these pretzels at your local grocery store or German market, and then sprinkle some coarse salt. And then toss it into the oven. It's already preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let this cook for 10 minutes while we cook our brats. Now let's cook those brats. I sourced mine from my local German deli. If you can't find a German deli, you can definitely get them at your grocery store, but to get more authentic bratwurst, make sure you source them at a good butcher. We have our cast iron skillet preheated on its lowest setting. If we need to turn up the heat, we can do that later. All you're looking to do is place the brats in the pan and try not to burn yourself. You hear that sizzling? My cast iron skillet is pre-seasoned. I put a couple drops of oil in there and we're gonna let this go for a few minutes. What you're wanting to do is get a nice brown on the bottom of it. After these cook for a few minutes, we'll toss in some sauerkraut. The brats have been cooking for about 3 minutes now. The look you're going for is, let me see if I can show you guys, a nice golden brown on all sides. While these are finishing up, I'm going to toss in some sauerkraut. Again, you can get this at your local German deli. We're just going to warm this up. I've removed the bratwurst and sauerkraut. Don't they look phenomenal? Can't wait to give those a try. Let's go ahead and grab the pretzels. Make sure you use gloves or mitt. As you see here, we've plated up our bratwurst with pretzel and sauerkraut. I've got some nice German spicy brown mustard put on top. Let's give this a try. Wow, tastes phenomenal. Put on some sauerkraut. This is, don't have to do this. My wife doesn't like sauerkraut on her bratwurst, nor do my kids, but I absolutely love it. Wow, that definitely brings back memories. If you guys want to try this easy recipe, go ahead and do so. Again, make sure you source your meat from a good local butcher or a German deli. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. And I want to thank you sincerely from the bottom of my heart for stopping by and following me during this adventure. Until next time guys, we'll see you then.